Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Let's Crack OPSC. Hope all of your preparation going well. And as you have seen in yesterday's that particular notification where OPSC has started slowly notifying all the pending exams from 28 June onwards. So what I have predicted in my earlier video that OPSC might schedule the prelim OPSC OS prelim examination somewhere between July 15 to August last or September first week. So we are in that direction of examination. So you have to start preparing without wasting time. You stop wasting time in anything else. Try to focus on your studies, especially on your revision part. In this particular video I will be revising, especially emphasizing on revision. Friends, I will tell all of you that revision holds the key. आपण माने जिते अधिक रु अधिक रिविजन करिवे तार फल आपनको मिलिबो प्रीलिम एग्जामिनेशन रे आउ मेन एग्जामिनेशन रे. रिविजन जिते सकाळू 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 उठिबा परे फर्स्ट काम करंतु कि काली कोन पढितिली, व्हाट आई हैव स्टडीड यस्टरडे I supposed to be revising that. In psychology, we tell that particular thing is till the time you emphasize every, you can say, alternate day, you will tend to forget that fact. So make it a point, whatever you studied yesterday, try to make it a point that you have to revise it today and after 2 days. It has to be your revision cycle supposed to be just like this. And there's supposed to be a weekly revision, you can say, session of 5 hours or 6 hours. That weekly revision session you supposed to be combining whatever new facts, figures, all the things, whatever you have studied throughout the week, you supposed to be revising on that particular day, especially on that weekly revision day. Especially you can keep it either on Saturday or on Sunday. आपण either शनिवार नहले रविवार ताकू वीकली रिविजन करंतु. जेते अधिक रिविजन करिवे सेते भलो हबो प्रीलिम एग्जामिनेशन पई आउ मेन एग्जामिनेशन पई. बिकॉज व्हाट हैपेन, देयर इज ए प्रॉब्लम व्हिच हैपेंस इन द स्पेशली द एग्जामिनेशन सेंटर. व्हाट इज दैट प्रॉब्लम? इफ यू आर हैविंग ए डाउट ओवर टू or three options, that means you have not done adequate revision. तार अर्थ होची आपण माने भल्ल से को जिंस रिविजन करि नाहंती. जदि आपण माने भल्ल रे रिविजन करि थांते ताहाले आपणको इजीली आंसर जणा थांता. किंतु आपण भल्ल रे रिविजन न करथिबा हेतुरु आपणकर 2 टा 3 टा ऑप्शन भितरे आपण कंफ्यूजन आसीबो. If you really do not want into a situation just like this, then you have to emphasize on revision whatever you have studied. And we have provided the 40 high quality test series, this master key test series, 4000 high quality MCQs in 599 rupees. If you are not joined, do join quick and fast. Say hi, I am interested in this master key test series, and I have told them that to revise all these 4000 MCQs. The more you will revise, the better the chances that you will be making a wonderful performance in the prelim examination 2020. So आपण मानकर revision बहुत important. So I have told you that how revision you supposed to be doing in order to eliminate the unwanted options and you can reach to the answer. आपण माने आंसर को जल्दी से जल्दी पहुंचबे, स्पेशली prelim examination रे. मेन एग्जामिनेशन रे आपण जेते अधिक रिविजन करिवे आपण सेते अधिक रु अधिक पॉइंट्स लिखि परिबे. ताहाले सब्जेक्टिव एग्जामिनेशन रे भी रिविजन रो बहुत इंपोर्टेंस अछि. सो with this we have told you about the revision. Now we will be discussing master key set number 21. Master key set number 21. If you want to join, do enroll. We are providing high quality sets, so do enroll. If you are interested, you can download the sample copy from the link given below in the description, as well as You can also email me in my email address abishoi27@gmail.com. The email address is there in the description and it is there in the about section too. The Union Cabinet recently approved the export sales of which Indian missile to friendly foreign country. Means Government of India has decided that we will be selling this to our friendly nation. Is it A. Nag? Is it B. Saurya? Is it C. Prithvi? Is it D. Akash? The answer is Akash. This Akash missile, the Union Cabinet has approved. No, we will be selling it to our friendly nation. Remember it. Which state has the highest number of leopards? Which state is having highest number of leopards as per status of leopards in India 2018? Report released by Union Minister Prakash Javadekar in December 2020. Is it A. Madhya Pradesh? Is it B. Rajasthan? Is it C. Maharashtra? Is it D. Karnataka? Highest leopards. That is, answer is A. Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh is the having highest leopards. Remember it. Who was recently honored with the title Global Visionary of Sustainable Business and Peace. Global Visionary for Sustainable Business and Peace, for promoting unity, peace and sustainability. Is it A. Ratan Tata? Is it B. Warren Buffett? Is it C. Mukesh Ambani? Is it D. Bill Gates? The answer is A. Ratan Tata. Ratan Tata is being awarded the Global Visionary for Sustainable Business and Peace. Then, which state government has recently signed an MOU with United Nations Women to establish India's first gender data hub? First gender data hub. Is it A. Tamil Nadu? Is it B. Karnataka? Is it C. Gujarat? Is it D. Kerala? Where was the answer is D. Kerala. D. Kerala is the state which has signed MOU with United Nations Women to establish India's gender data hub. The state has partnered with the United Nations in order to set up state gender data hub. Remember it. Where was India's first call center for aqua farmers? This is a call center for aqua farmers recently launched by Marine Product Export Development Authority. Is it A. Vijayawada? Is it B. Nagpur? Is it C. Hyderabad? Is it D. Ludhiana? The answer is Vijayawada. In Vijayawada, this first call center for aqua farmers, marine product export, all the marine products like fish, crab, then this lobster, then all this kind of a thing they are going to provide. Then, where is Asia's deepest gas field R cluster? Asia's deepest gas field R cluster situated. Is it A. Narmada Basin? Is it B. Krishna Godavari River Basin? Is it C. Ganges Brahmaputra Meghna? Is it D. Brahmaputra River Basin? Answer is B. Krishna Godavari KG Basin. KG Basin is Asia's deepest gas field R cluster. Remember, Asia's deepest gas field R cluster is present in Krishna Godavari Basin. Then the Swarnim Vijay Masal was recently lit by PM of India to commemorate which historic event? Swarnim Vijay Masal. Is it A. Indo-Pak War? Is it B. World War? Is it C. Chori Chora incident? Is it D. Indo-China War? The answer is A. Indo-Pak War. Indo-Pak War, the government of India has done this particular thing called Swarnim Vijay Masal. Then D. India recently signed an agreement with which country to cooperate in health, medicine and support? Health, medicine and support. Green healthcare. Health, medicine support called as green healthcare. India has signed a agreement with this particular country. Is it A. France? Is it B. Israel? Is it C. North Korea? Is it D. Pakistan? The answer is B. Israel. India has signed MOU with Israel for green healthcare. In health sector for medicine and support. Now, with what is India's rank in Human Freedom Index 2020? Human Freedom Index 2020. What was India's rank? 32nd, B 79th, C 96th, or D 111th in Freedom Index. That is Human Freedom Index. Human Freedom Index. What is India's rank? The answer is 111th. Human Freedom Index. It is very disturbing. We are at a very low level. Then, which state recently launched its own crop relief scheme, Kisan Fasal Rahat Yojana? Kisan Fasal Rahat Yojana. Which state has started this? Is it A. Madhya Pradesh? Is it B. Rajasthan? Is it C. Jharkhand? Is it D. Maharashtra? Fasal Krishi Kisan Fasal Rahat Yojana. Kisan Fasal Rahat Yojana started by Jharkhand government. Remember, Jharkhand government. Then, coming to the next question, Odisha High Court was formally inaugurated in which year? Is it A. 1947? Is it B. 1948? Is it C. 1949? Is it D. 1950? Odisha High Court started in B. 1948. Odisha High Court started in 1948. So, with this we completed this discussion of Master Key set number 21. If you are interested to join, without wasting time, do join, because it will give you more time for revision of this 40 high quality sets, and you can assess yourself where you stand, and slowly you will improve upon score, and by the time you will get prelims, you will able to achieve much higher marks. And with this we completed today's discussion. Thank you very much. Enjoy the learning process.